been dreaming up something really special, the art of botanical printing. But before it blooms, I want to invite you to be part of shaping it. You see, I don't see this as just a course. I see it as a living, growing journey, one that will branch out over time with new projects, ideas, and new ways to create with nature. And the founding members, that's you, will help decide how it grows. This course blends art and science because both are needed to create truly beautiful prints. We'll cover the essential why behind the process, but through a creative lens, so it feels approachable, hands-on, and inspiring rather than technical or intimidating. It's designed for artists, makers, and curious beginners alike. Anyone who wants to understand the science and apply it with an artist's eye. We'll dive into how to build skill through simple, beautiful projects and creative experiments, how to move beyond throwing down the leaves to create compositionally stunning, intentional prints, ways to transform your printed fabric into clothing, home decor, or pieces that tell your story. And because I believe creativity is best supported with beautiful tools, you'll also get a gorgeous printable workbook filled with recipes, step-by-step instructions, and pages to record your discoveries, a journal that will grow right alongside your art. But here's what makes this moment different. This course isn't finished yet because it's not meant to be. As a founding member, you'll help shape it. You'll be part of a private creative community where we'll test ideas, experiments, and decide together what's the most valuable to include. Your input will help determine the lessons, the projects, and even future branches that grow from this course. So, if you've ever wanted to be part of something from the ground up, to co-create a beautiful, evolving space for artists who love working with nature, this is your chance. Join me as a founding member and help bring the art of botanical printing to life. Doors are open for a limited time, and once they close, founding spots won't come again. I hope you'll join me in the art of botanical printing. Are you in?